Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve math problems using Google Lens. So Google Lens is a feature from Google where you can use your camera to search for something on the internet, including math problems. So here through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it. First of all, let's just open the Google applications on your phone. Then in here, you'll see there is this camera or the lens icon that you can click. So when you do that, the Google Lens will be open. So there are three tabs in here: translate, search, and homework. So if you want to use the Google Lens to solve your math problem, you need to go to the homework section, click on this homework, and then put the lens to where you want to solve the problems or the math problems that you want to solve, just like this. Then click on the shutter button. Then go to where you want to solve. For example, I want to solve the first question here. You can just adjust it like this, and the result or will be shown in here. You can see it is solved. The x is 5. If you want to see the step, you can just tap on this, or you can you can click on this show showing solving steps, and you'll see the results. Can also go back to move to the second question. You can just move the area in here to select. Now looking for results, and here is the results. Let's move on to the a little complicated one, this one for example. Okay, there's a new this one. Let's try this one. Okay, so how to solve your problem, this one in here. You can click on this again to show the solving steps. You can learn the step 1 in here. You can multiply each term in the parentheses by 2, step 2, step 3, and you'll find the solution. So if you want to move to the next question, again, you can just move it down like this, drag the area or select the area you want to solve, and this is the solution. So this is how you can solve math problems using the Google Lens. If you have maybe math homework, you can use this trick if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks and hit on the subscribe button below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.